Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully back with another video. Hope everybody had a safe and productive weekend. Hope you worked on yourself, maybe hit the gym, did something with the family, did some back testing. But either way, I hope you guys are recharged and ready to hit the week. Let's make it the best one we can. So this is going to be the pre-market analysis for the upcoming week. So if you're new to the channel or new to what I do, usually I just go through a few pairs that I trade. Usually it's going to be EU, GU gold. Sometimes I'll do like Bitcoin or something like that, and GJ. But I try to keep it nice, short, and concise. I'm not into doing 30-minute videos, doing analysis. It's very simple how I do analysis. I have a lot that goes on to it, but I condense it pretty quickly so you guys can know what you're looking for and then profit off of that. All right, so first we're in gold. So gold here we had a short retracement right here. 2-day drop that happened on Thursday, I believe. So we had a nice drop right here. We have equal highs right here. So I am looking for this to get run. It hasn't been able to break down here, so I'm still pretty sure we're in bullish. And as you can see, it's been on a bullish uptrend for a while anyways. So I don't believe in the touches and all that, but clearly it's been on uptrend for a little bit. So I still think it's going to break this level. We've had some issues getting up here, but once we do, the next target is going to be 18, 15, 16. So real quick, let's go to the H1. And as you can see, we had a few attempts to get past this mark. We almost got here, and then that retracement happened. So we do have some liquidity down here as well, so it wouldn't be too much issues for price to drop all the way down here, then come up. If we drop down, then stay in this area, and then I'm kind of going to be on alert for it to come down here as well. But we got to see what we got to do. Like I say, Mondays is usually a day for observation because the trend isn't always clear. Well, isn't as clear on a Monday. So we'll see what's going to do. Let's go ahead and make our ranges as we usually do. So it's going to be a pretty large range because of this retracement. But let's take it to the low to the high. So if we are going to look for a bullish move, as I always say, if you don't have a clear bias, I don't advise trading, but if you're going to, just trade what you see if you're 50-50 on it. So I would be looking for a move below into the buy zone, low risk buy zone around New York time. Watch this wick very carefully. Watch this wick, because there are some trapped sellers down here who got FOMO, who got trapped all the way down here. May have been holding over the weekend, or they've already checked out by now. But watch this wick. If we stop pump below it and come right back up like a V spike, then I'm definitely hop into a buy, and then just put your stop loss below the low. If it just runs past this tomorrow, and like I said, stays down here in this area, then that would create a higher low, and then maybe we'll have some structure going down to the downside. So gold, don't recommend trading tomorrow, just wait and see. But if you're going to, I am leaning towards a bullish sentiment. So if you see a W pattern, railroad track, something like that, and it's in the buy zone area, low risk buy zone, go ahead and take it. And guys, this the fib I use is to protect you guys from bad trades and myself. So I strongly recommend, if you don't know what settings I'm using, go back to the previous video and check that out, okay? Because this is going to save you 9 times out of 10 from taking a bad trade. Because if price is in here and you're looking to take a buy, it's probably you can get away with it, but the better entry is to wait for like a retracement down to one of these areas, then catch it back up, okay? So that's gold. Let's go to EU. And EU has been, we've been calling EU for a while, just straight, and I've been saying straight buys, and it's pretty much been that. So I only had this marked up because I had to restart MetaTrader. So here are pretty much the zones that I have for the daily. So let's zoom in. We have another swing low forming right here. Strong candle up, more momentum going up. I mean, it's pretty much gonna be it's going to hit this level. So, you know, take buys, and we're looking to get to this 1.21790 big figure. So I'm just gonna move this up here. So yeah, I mean, EU's been pretty much has been a buy for the last 2 weeks. So we just been buying. And honestly, if you got where I called it at, I mean, you could have position held or swing traded the whole way up. So yeah, just keep your eyes on buys. Let's go to the H1. Nothing really changing here. This level's been holding perfectly. We've been doing higher lows right here. This is still going up off the strong order block, and we just been running levels ever since. So we had some, yeah, pretty much we're going up here. So just keep buying. Let's go ahead and make a range so that we know where to buy at. And I don't have a data reference, so I'm just gonna go from the top of the Asia box right here. So here we go. We want to get somewhere like in here, in this area. Oops, sorry. So look for the price point around like 1.206 here, somewhere around here. EU doesn't always have like the strongest of stop punch, so it could do an equilibrium. If it's like right here and you see a W form or some sort of pattern, you can put a buy. Stop loss would be about 18 pips. That's pretty big for EU. So if you can catch it down here, do so, and then maybe you can get a tighter stop loss of like 10 pips, 12 pips, something like that. Either way, we're targeting, like I said, this whole structure over here. So EU is definitely a buy. So that could move London or New York. So just take a notice of when it gets to the fib zone, and then what price does when it gets there. All right, GU. GU has been trading sideways, so we've been in this like little consolidation for a little bit, but looking at it, we have more chances of breaking this level than we do here. And I only say that because there's just more spikes right here, more wicks, which means probably more money that's been trapped. So I'm still thinking it's going to break here and hit 1.40370. So, and also price has just been shooting up Friday, strong candle right now. So I'm still thinking bullish on GU, and it's a long way to go down. To get all the way down there, that's 254 pips compared to 110. So, you know, price is usually going to take the path of least resistance. So, you know, just keep it simple. So I'm definitely thinking GU is going to push back up, and then we failed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 times to break this 1.4210 mark. So let's see if we can get above that. So definitely take a buy if you're going to be doing GU. H1, let's zoom out. Strong retracement here still. We had a shift in market structure, but I have to see if this right here, I have to see if price is going to break that. So let's say tomorrow we get up here and then it fails and comes back down. So that'll make another higher low. So then I won't be so confident on the buys, and so it might just be doing this and, you know, keep going all the way down, whatever. So, but as of right now, the daily is telling me it's bullish, and price currently is telling me it's bullish. So, because we're making lower highs right now, so look for this, check this area right here, and be on high alert for that. That would be my target for tomorrow. Once you get past that, definitely take something off the trade, you know, and then let it run. So let's go ahead and do the fib. Let's make our range. So here we go. Same thing as usual. Look for something in the buy zone, low risk buy zone, and then a stop loss below here, maybe a few pips below that, like right here, and then we're targeting the 1.39440, this whole structure that I marked out. All right, so hope that helped you guys out. I've been appreciating the views, the comments, everything like that as well. If you guys enjoyed it, got some value from it, please leave a like, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to keep the channel growing. I'm trying to get the analysis channel growing, help more people out. So yeah, leave me a feedback too. If you enjoyed this, or if you want a different style, just let me know, and I'll do what I can. But yeah, that's going to be it, guys. Hope you have a safe trading week. Let me know if you need anything. Hit me on Gmail, email me. Also, another way to get in touch with me is on Twitter as well. So if you want to do that, if you have Twitter, send me a DM on that as well. But that's going to be it. Talk to you guys next time. Peace.